Well, today we're going to be looking at another Ex-Aurora kit, and this is the Spindrift suborbital transport, and this is from a company called Doll & Hobby, who I've not heard of before, but they seem to be releasing quite a few Aurora kits. This is one that my brother had in the early 70s. I had the Invaders UFO and he had this, and I've been longing after it for years. I've been hoping it would be re-released. There was a limited re-release that I missed out on, but it's nice to finally get one, and the box is pretty good. It's nice that it's a painting, and then on the back we've got details of it, so it shows you the interior, different options, and it just tells you about the show and the kit. There's a couple of other kits there. So what we're going to do is open this up, because as you can see, this is lovely sealed, and then we can see what the kit looks like and whether the moulds have stood up to the test of time. Let me just pop the camera in the holder. Okay, pop some lights on so that we can see what we're doing. Okay, so let's get this bad boy opened. Okay, so we've got various bags of parts. This is moulded in the original colours. I always remember this weird, not quite lime green, it's a very weird green. I remember that from the original kit. And then we've got the body. So let's get all the bits out and we'll have a look. See if we can get this a bit higher, get a bit better view on it. There we go. Okay, so we get an instruction sheet. I wonder if I don't think this is a copy of the Aurora. Oh, it might be. It is done in the Aurora style. So you get breakdown. It's quite a simple model to make, I remember. Has an opening door and a sort of full interior. Played with this a lot as a kid. We had a paddling pool in the back garden, and for some reason we played with it, using it as a flying sub from Voyage to the Bottom of the Sea, even though it's not. So it looks like you get a backdrop as well. Didn't get that in the original one. And this is all new. This is a painting guide. So that's good. Put that to one side. Then we get, I'm presuming this is the other stickers or decals. Let's have a look. Yeah. So really nice bronze stand. Oh, you get interior decals as well. That's to go under the bubble. They're nice. They feel quality. It's just a backing sheet. So this must be the stand. I like that. It's good cardboard. It's like a matte finish. So one side is space. The other side is grass. And cleaning fluid. You have to excuse, I got a bit of an S situation going on, so I've had some dental work. My mouth's not quite where it should be. Let's have a look at these parts. That didn't open up soon. Okay. I will be doing a making of video. So really crisp mouldings. I'm presuming that originally was a big panel and they've just broken it. Really nice. There's the figures. You only get 3 figures, which is the crew, so you don't get any of the passengers. I might have a go at trying to make them, although they are weirdly 1/67th scale, not 1/72nd. You get the full interior parts. I won't open the clear parts because they might get scratched, but you get the windows standing clear. This is the other interior parts. So the windows makes up like that. That's what the stickers are for. And then that's the base part, so that's the size of the interior. It's like that, I think. So nice size model. And then the all-important hull. I'm glad they've moulded it in orange, because I should probably try and do it where I don't have to paint the orange. Although, oh, it's scuffed up there. I have to do something with it. So it goes like that. That goes like that. So that's the size of the kit. So I remember it as being much bigger, but then obviously I was much smaller. But very unique shape. I'm looking forward to making this. So yeah, it looks like a great kit. They're available now. I think I paid about £45 for this one, something like that, which was the cheapest I could find. I think it's cheaper in America, because obviously there's no import duties or anything like that. But yeah, well worth picking up. Let me know in the comments if you want to see a making of video for this, and I'll go through all the detailing and everything, and hopefully we'll have a lovely spaceship to go with my other Ex-Aurora kits. But thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you can, and I'll see you again next time. Thanks then. Bye.